Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to start with the new chapter of Indian economic development, that is poverty. Well, in this video we are going to understand what is poverty and who are called as poor. Secondly, what is poverty line and what has been the trend of poverty in our country, that is India. Now, when we are unable to fulfill our basic minimum requirements of life, I repeat, when we are unable to fulfill our basic minimum requirements of life, that is food, clothing, shelter, education, that is called as poverty. That is the inability to fulfill the basic minimum requirements of life. Now, when we use the word poverty, then there are two kinds of poverty that we need to know about. The first poverty says about absolute. The second one says about relative. The first poverty is absolute poverty. The second poverty is relative poverty. Now let's try to understand each of these poverty in detail. Now, when we classify poverty among different classes, regions or countries, it is called as relative poverty. When the classification of poverty is done across different regions or countries, it is called as relative poverty. Let's suppose for an example, we talk about India is more of a poor country than America. So what we are saying is poverty in India is more as compared to poverty in America. This is called is an example of relative poverty. In relative poverty, generally we consider the living standards of the people as a criteria to measure poverty. However, when we talk about absolute poverty, we refer to the concept of poverty line. What is absolute poverty? The concept of poverty line is used for defining the measure of absolute poverty. Let's suppose, for an example, if we say that in India, persons who are living in rural areas, if they are consuming less than 816 rupees per month, and in urban areas they are consuming less than 1000 rupees per month, they are considered to be in absolute poverty. So you see, we have measured poverty in terms of data. Also, you will be knowing that apart from the consumption criteria, there is another criteria which defines poverty, and that is called as calorie intake criteria, which our country says that on an average, if on per day basis in rural areas, any person who consumes less than 2435 calories, and in urban areas a person consumes less than 2045 calories per day, then he or she is assumed to be in poverty. And this type of poverty is called absolute poverty, where we define the word poverty on the basis of poverty line, a specific poverty line. So what is poverty line? Poverty line refers to the cutoff point that divides the people into being poor or as rich. What is the cutoff point? Well, in terms of consumption, it is 816 and 1000 rupees per month for rural and urban areas. As far as calorie is concerned, it is 2435 and 2045 calories for rural and urban areas. Now, these two criteria of poverty define two types of poverty, that is relative poverty and absolute poverty. But one thing for notice is that how is this poverty line fixed in our country? But before that, please understand that 816 and 1000 what you heard is about the consumption. It is not about the per month income. It is about the per month consumption. So it is very wide to understand for you to note that consumption is the criteria for poverty measurement and not the income, because income does not say whether people have consumed anything or not. Consumption says what people can afford. Income says what people can get. It may be a possibility that out of all the income, people are saving more. That is why income is never used as a criteria for measuring the poverty. I hope with this video you have understood what is poverty and what are the two types of poverty. Thank you everyone.